Hi everybody and welcome to this tutorial on how to work on Fiverr as a graphic designer. If you are good at design and want to make money online, Fiverr can be a great place to start. In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know to begin your journey as a graphic designer on Fiverr. We will go step by step using simple methods to help you set up and succeed. First, you need to create a seller profile. This is the most important step. Your seller profile is like your online shop window. It tells people who you are, what you do, and why they should trust you. So take time to make it good. When you sign up on Fiverr, choose the seller option. Then, fill in your details carefully. Use your real name or a professional name. Upload a clear photo of yourself, preferably one where you're smiling and looking friendly. This builds trust with buyers. In your description, explain who you are and what you do. Keep it short, simple, and clear. You can say something like, I am a professional graphic designer with 3 years of experience. I create modern and attractive designs for social media, branding, and more. If you have experience in specific types of design, like logos or Instagram posts, include that. Also, mention what tools you use. For example, Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or Canva. This helps buyers know that you are a serious designer. Once your profile is ready, you can start creating your first gig. The first part of the gig setup asks you to write a clear title. This is the first thing a buyer sees. Keep it short and specific. A good example is, I will design a modern Instagram post for your business. After the title, you must choose the right category for your gig. For graphic design, choose Graphics and Design, and then a subcategory like Social Media Design. Then select the service type like Social Media Graphics. Fiverr will also ask you to select metadata, such as the platform your design is for and the file formats you offer. Finally, you add up to 5 tags, or keywords, that help people find your gig. Choose simple and direct words like Instagram post, social media design, graphic design, Canva, or branding. After this part, you'll move on to pricing. Fiverr allows you to set up 1, 2, or 3 pricing packages. These are called Basic, Standard, and Premium. Each one can offer different levels of service. For example, the Basic package can offer 1 post for $5. The Standard package might include 3 posts for $15. The Premium package could include 5 posts plus story designs for $25. You also set the delivery time, number of revisions, and what files you will deliver, such as JPG, PNG, or layered files like PSD. Try to keep your pricing simple and competitive when starting out. Make sure you can deliver what you promise. Next is the description and frequently asked questions. Here, you describe your service in detail. Use clear and simple English. You can write something like, I will create a unique and eye-catching Instagram post that fits your brand. I work with your colors, fonts, and messaging. You will receive a high-quality JPG or PNG file. You can also add answers to common questions buyers might ask. For example, can you use my logo and brand colors? Or can you create posts for Facebook too? Adding this information shows you're professional and ready to work. After writing your description, Fiverr asks you to define what information you need from the buyer. This part is called requirements. Write down exactly what you want the client to send after placing an order. For example, please send your logo brand colors, the text you want on the post, and any example designs you like. This makes your job easier and saves time. Clear requirements help avoid confusion later. Fiverr says gigs with videos usually perform better. Finally, before your gig goes live, you preview everything and hit publish. Once it's live, buyers from around the world can see it. But to get attention, you need to go one step further. Now we move to one of the most important parts of being successful on Fiverr. That is seeing what other people are doing. Before creating your gigs, search for other graphic designers on Fiverr. Type something like social media post design in the search bar. Then, look at the top sellers. These are people who are getting many orders. Open their profiles. Look at their gig titles, images, and descriptions. Try to understand what is working for them. You should not copy their exact words or designs, but you can learn from their style. Notice what kind of work they're offering. Are they focusing on Instagram posts, Facebook ads, or stories? See what their thumbnails look like. What colors do they use? What kind of text do they write in their gig? All of this gives you an idea of what is popular and what buyers want. Once you know what successful people are doing, try to follow a similar pattern. This will help your gig look more professional. If you just upload something random, it may not perform well. So always research before uploading your gigs. Another thing you can do is make a list of 10 top sellers. Study all of their gigs one by one. Look at the reviews their clients give them. This tells you what buyers liked about the service. Maybe it was fast delivery or good communication. Try to include those things in your own service. Now let's talk about your design work itself. As a beginner, it can be hard to get your first few orders. So while you wait, use your time to create designs. Focus on social media posts. This is a popular and high-demand area. Every business needs good social media content. Start by designing 5 to 10 different posts. Choose different styles. For example, make a clean corporate-style post, a fun and colorful one, and maybe one for a beauty brand. You can use free tools like Canva if you don't have Photoshop. Canva has many templates you can customize. Just make sure you do not use them as is. Always change the colors, fonts, and images to make it your own. Once you have 5 to 10 good designs, use these as your portfolio. You can show them in your gig image or even upload a PDF sample. Buyers like to see your past work before ordering. One more tip is to focus on one niche. For example, you can offer Instagram post design for fitness brands, or maybe for food businesses. When you focus on one type of design, your gig looks more expert. Buyers prefer to order from someone who knows their industry. Another thing that helps a lot is writing a good gig description. After the gig title and image, the description is where buyers read more about what you offer. So, write in simple English. Explain what they will get. For example, you can write, "I will design a unique and eye-catching post for your Instagram. I can work with your brand colors and fonts. You will get a high-quality JPG or PNG file." When you finally get your first order, be polite and professional. Communicate clearly with the buyer. Always confirm what they want before starting. If they give short instructions, ask questions. For example, "Do you want me to use your brand colors?" Or, "Is this post for a sale or a promotion?" This shows that you care about their needs. When you deliver your design, always write a message with it. Say something like, "Here is your social media post. Let me know if you would like any changes. I am happy to help." This increases the chance of getting a 5-star review. After a few good reviews, Fiverr will push your gig higher in the search. This means more people will find you. Over time, you will start to get more orders. Keep improving your designs. Learn from feedback. Watch tutorials. Stay updated with design trends. The more you learn, the better your work becomes. Also, stay active on Fiverr. Log in every day. Respond to messages quickly. Fiverr likes active sellers. Your profile will appear more often if you are online a lot. You can even download the Fiverr app to stay connected when you're away from your computer. In short, working on Fiverr as a graphic designer takes time and effort, but it is worth it. Start by creating a professional seller profile. Then, look at what others are doing. Learn from top sellers. Create your gigs with clear titles, nice images, and simple descriptions. Make designs for social media posts and build a strong portfolio. Communicate well with your clients and always deliver on time. Keep learning and improving. Over time, you will grow your business. That's the full guide to working on Fiverr as a graphic designer. If you follow all these steps, you can begin making money with your design skills. Remember, success does not come overnight. But with patience and consistency, you will get there.